Hello everyone. Welcome back to our liability insurance series, where we break down complex policy terms and bills for you. Today, we are diving into something that's making waves in data protection, the Digital Personal Data Protection or DPDP Act in India. This new law is set to make big changes in how data is protected, and it brings about some important questions for businesses, especially about financial liabilities. Let's dive into what you need to know. The DPDP Act is a major step forward in strengthening data protection in India. It's now a law, and businesses are facing new challenges, particularly around how financial penalties will be handled. A big question on everybody's mind is, will the fines or penalties under this act be covered by insurance? Typically, insurance policies have avoided covering fines or penalties from regulatory bodies. This is largely due to the principle of public policies, which argues that insurance shouldn't undermine the enforcement of law. If companies could rely on insurance to cover fines, it might reduce their incentive to comply with regulations. Essentially, insurance shouldn't be a way to sidestep legal responsibilities. Generally, standard insurance policies do not cover fines imposed by regulatory bodies. This helps ensures that companies are motivated to follow the rules. With the DPDP Act's penalties reaching up to 250 crores for non-compliance, it is quite possible that traditional insurance won't cover these fines. But don't worry, there is still hope. Cyber insurance can be a valuable tool here. Many cyber insurance policies offer risk management services to help you improve your data protection practices, which can reduce the likelihood of facing penalties in the first place. They can also cover various costs related to data breaches like legal fees, notification cost, and business interruption losses. While fines might not be covered, cyber insurance can still help with expenses during regulatory investigation or defending against claims. As we wait for more clarity on whether DPDP Act penalties can be insured, the best approach for businesses is to focus on proactive compliance, invest in robust data protection system, conduct regular audits, and provide thorough employee training. This not only helps you avoid penalties, but also strengthens your data practice and build trust with your customers. Thanks for tuning in. We'll be back with more updates on data protection and other key topics in liability insurance. See you next time.